Service in Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for the islands to Willowick, Ohio, until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:19 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms, producing strong winds 34 knots or greater from 25 nautical miles northwest of Avon Point to 4 nautical miles west of Lorraine Harbor, or from 12 nautical miles east of Point Pelee to Vermilion, moving east at 25 knots. Additional thunderstorms just east of the islands also contain winds in excess of 34 knots. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Cleveland. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and